to add widgets on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add widgets on iPhone. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your home screen, and over here just long press on the empty screen on your mobile phone. And after that, you will be able to see the option called edit on the top left hand side corner of your mobile screen. Just simply tap on it and you will get the option called add widget. Just simply tap on it. And over here, you have different widgets that you can add in your. I personally like the smart stack, basically, in which you can stack so many different widgets over here. You can also select the size of the widget that you want to add. For example, I'm taking this one. And if you're okay with this size, you can, add this as it is. And if you're not, you can, take the smaller one and any other widget of your choice. For example, I'm taking this one. Just simply click on the bare screen again, and you will get this widget. And yeah, that's how you will be able to add widgets in your iPhone. I hope you find this video to be helpful.